Okay, so this is an Android tablet, Samsung used. I bought it off eBay for $40, but there's some taxes. Comes to $42.59. So this works with our app for these MOC motors, which are rechargeable, recharge port, on-off button, Bluetooth connection. Here's the motor, $5.50. Be careful when you try to order these motors. They are the Lego form factor, pinholes, and these brick holes, brick layout. But be careful to make sure that you get the motor that has app control. App control, that's what you want. There are many of these motors, if they don't say app control, I don't really trust them unless you investigate them further to find out. Here's the app control motor. I paid $5.50 each. Here's the Galaxy that I just bought for $40 off eBay, used. It took a few minutes to set up this tablet. It's 5 inches by 8.25. 8.25 by 5. And this app is the one we're using to control the Lego motors. And this is XC6 is what we're using to control these motors by Bluetooth. Here it is in remote control, which I don't like because we're trying to learn about coding. See if I can get the Bluetooth to connect. There it is. So this is the app that controls the motor. This icon shows English versus, I think that's Russian versus Chinese. Back to English. It's called XP blocks. That's what this is. That's this motor XP block right here, this app. That's what you want. I'll put a link to the app in the download, in the descriptions, and you can download it. It is for Android phones. There's a separate system. These are all Androids, and they all work, as far as I know, with this motor and this app. If you want an Apple app, it's in the Apple Play Store or App Store, and it's a different app, but it works the same way. The layout looks identical. Just showing you can get a $40 used tablet, 8.2 inches by 5 inches, and it works with this motor, doing coding and other remote control. There will be more.